Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Microcytosis. Microcytosis is reduced average cell size of the RBC is called as microcytosis. If the cell size of the RBC is less, then we call it as microcytosis. In microcytosis, mean corpuscular volume is less than 76 femtoliters. Causes of microcytosis. Microcytosis is seen in iron deficiency anemia, sideroblastic anemia, thalassemia, and lead toxicity. So, in microcytic anemia, there is decrease in size of the RBCs, and the RBCs in microcytic anemia are actually smaller than they are the size of the RBCs. There is decreased size in the RBCs which is less than plus or minus 7 micrometers. The nucleus of the RBCs is small. The nucleus of the RBCs is almost similar to that of size of RBC. The small lymphocyte is almost similar to the small RBC.
thank you and thank you for watching.